Okay, Macho Mike. Now going to the beach here at Langkawi. What else? My friends there, the Wolfpack is just there. We have to try, of course, using my iPhone with dry dock. I hope this is really true. The dry dock, and I hope they don't have jellyfish here because they say they have lots of jellyfish here. Oh, okay. Ooh, it's deep. Oh, yeah, strong waves. Strong waves, see? Success! Yeah, this is waterproof. Okay, now signing out.